This is Sway.
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 In the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Shade 45.
Wake your fuck ass up. That crust out your eyes.
Ooh, that sounds so spooky and scary.
Creepy stuff.
Creepy stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Victoria Justice has just joined us. I feel like I've actually met you before in the past, but
yes,
you know, you've been so famous for so long that you may not remember our moments.
I remember our moments.
You remember our moments?
I mean, I feel like I haven't seen you in a while though.
You haven't. I've been here. So, and then the only time I come out with MTV is during the award season, or
right.
If, Victoria, if they need somebody to interview the president or something.
You know what?
You know what I mean?
You gotta like that.
You know what I'm saying, Victoria. You know, but
Sway's got swag for days.
There it is. She knows me well. But I have to thank you because you've given me a better relationship with my daughter.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, man. She watched iCarly. She watched Victoria. She watched Zoe 101. I mean, all these different shows that you've been a part of has helped us bond.
Mm-hmm. That's really cool. How old is she?
She's 16 now.
She's 16. That's the age. That's the right age.
That's the right age.
Yeah.
That they don't want to hang out with their dad no more. So, but you gave us a few great years, man. So that's a lot of responsibility to have. And you've worn it well,
Thank you so much. What just happened to my voice
I'm
there?
tearing up. It's an emotional moment for you. Show Oprah moment on Shade 45, M&M station. Your mom is here.
She is, yeah.
And we often see childhood stars, people who started off as celebrities at a young age, just implode and, go haywire.
Yeah. Yeah.
That hasn't really happened yet for you.
No, I mean, I hope, knock on wood, that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think, I feel like I have a pretty good head on my shoulders, and I'm super lucky to have amazing parents who are very involved in my life and are really supportive. Like, I was 11 years old when I told my mom, I was like, I think I want to move to LA and try and do movies and TV. And she was like, they never wanted to be the parents that said no, and then years later I would have been like, but what if you never let me do that, and what if I would have tried? And so they've supported me the entire way, and they moved out to LA for me, and somehow things worked out in a way that has been amazing. So I just feel very lucky.
It applies to them, man.
Yeah.
You got to support your offspring.
Yeah.
Right?
Definitely. Yeah.
You like how I reference you as offspring? All right.
I do. I like that.
Victoria, in that journey, especially for children, we have a lot of parents listening now. There's a lot of rejection sometimes in the beginning and during the process. How did you deal with it, if any? How did you deal with the rejection part when you go audition and you try to sing, do a demo, and people said no? How did you deal? Did you go home and cry? Did you talk to your parents? What was that process like?
I mean, I feel like I've just always been the type of person that I think I realized at a young age that people aren't always going to say yes to you. The majority of it is no. It's like a no business for the most part. And I started doing child modeling and commercials when I was 8 years old. So I think I got that kind of early on. And of course, there are times when you work really hard for something and you really want something and you don't get it. It goes to this other girl. But you can't take it personally in this business, especially when it comes to acting and those sorts of things. Like they could be looking for a certain look, or maybe you're just not you don't fit into the family the right way, or you're not the right, your height, it could be a million different things. So you really can't take things personally. I think at the end of the day, you just have to stay focused. And if you love it, and if you're passionate, keep working on your craft, keep working hard and trying to, practicing every single day or as much as you can. And that's really all you can do. And my dad has always told me that, there's no such thing as luck. Luck is when opportunity meets preparation. So I think that's kind of what I've always tried to live by in a way.
That success rule. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks. But I'm not gonna. There have been definitely times where I've been disappointed and I've talked to my parents and might have shed a few tears. But
you didn't get that Twilight movie.
Didn't get that Twilight movie.
Damn,
not bitter. No, I actually didn't even audition for Twilight. I think I was too young.
You were too young for Twilight?
Yeah.
All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to open up the phone lines and come back
fun.
with Victoria Justice. She has a new show. It's called Eye Candy. And I like the plot. I like what this is about. I want to talk about that, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited.
888-742-3345. We're going to play Gold.
Oh, my gosh.
Yes, this is her song, Gold. Call her. Sway in the Morning, Shade 45. Victoria Justice has joined us.
Yep.
It's fun talking to her.
Thank you.
It is.
It's fun talking. It's enlightening, right?
Yeah, she has a great MC name too. Like if you like Victoria Justice,
True.
sound like
Victoria
she could
Justice.
spit some bars.
If I was gonna, I'd be DJ VJ, which I think is kind of cool.
Wow.
That's kind of interesting, right?
You get a lot of gigs. People would definitely come to see you. DJ VJ. Who is Lindy Sampson?
Lindy Sampson. Well, this is actually quite a funny segue. She's a computer hacker.
These people are criminals, and I play one in my new show.
But here is the difference, my friends. My character, Lindy Sampson, is not using her hacking skills to invade personal lives of celebrities and leak nudie pictures. She is actually... Her sister has been abducted, and the reason why she becomes a hacker is because she's on this mission to find her. And the police, she feels, have not done enough. They have not found her yet, and so she's taking matters into her own hands. And so that's why she's a computer hacker. And basically what ends up happening in the show is that my best friend sets me up on this online dating app, basically our version of Tinder. It's called Flirtual. And, I begrudgingly meet up with these different guys. And after I go on these dates, I leave the club and I start getting these weird text messages. And I get home and someone starts watching me on my computer and someone's hacked into my computer. And we eventually end up finding out that it's a serial killer. And it's like this game of cat and mouse between him and I, because he knows who I am, and I'm trying to find out who this crazy person is who's trying to ruin my life and destroy like everything that I love. And it's also at the same time, it's a bit of like a crime drama as well, because I end up joining the cyber crimes unit and try and figure out other crimes as well. But it's very intense and dramatic and thrilling and suspenseful and sexy at the same time. So
MTV they've been doing really well with these type of shows, these scripted shows now, right?
Yeah, I mean, Teen Wolf is killing it, and Awkward, and a bunch of good shows.
And now we have Eye Candy.
And now we have Eye Candy.
Yep. All right. Cool. Is there any way, being that I still work there, by the way?
Yeah.
How can we write me in an episode? I'm just, right? You got to have the news report.
Definitely.
Right?
I will pitch this to Christian Taylor, who's our showrunner.
Okay.
And I'm sure we could totally get you on the show.
Come on,
Why can't you be in charge of the hackers, like those Avenger movies and all of those X-Men movies? You could be like the head hacker.
That would be
amazing. Like all the answers are under your head.
Oh.
Like you would be smart, like for real. And I'm being serious, way. Like you'd like the genius. You got all the answers.
Can you talk to Christian about this?
I will. I'm gonna pitch this.
Sway's Oz. He's the Oz.
Yeah, I'm good.
But you need like a hacker name. What could your hacker like alias be?
Sway.
The Octagon. The Octagon.
Gosh. Don't ask Victoria.
The Octagon.
That's just a maneuver I made famous.
Her mom is here.
Definitely your mom said I won't even explain it. Go ahead, Tracy.
Now, Victoria, when you mentioned Tinder, it just made me think, I'm not going to say names, but there's a lot of people in this very studio who use Tinder. And I think that there are some celebrities that peruse it as well. What are your thoughts on it? Because it's hella popular.
It is really popular. I am not on Tinder. I am currently seeing someone. So, I don't know. But I mean, I have friends who are on Tinder too. I mean, Tinder though, like Tinder is mainly, from what I've heard, it's like people want to just like hook up and that sort of thing. It's not really like a serious relationship.
No, it's a bang, bang, bang
yeah,
thing.
It's like...
let's go get some tacos, go to my house, right?
It's that sort of thing.
Do you date outside of the industry, or does this person work in the industry? Have you found it harder or easier?
I mean, I work so much that like most of the people that I meet are in like the industry,
Yeah.
So he's in the industry,
I'm not going to dig. It's cool. It'll come out. It'll come out later. Y'all do a red carpet or something. And that's not what this is about. Plus, your mom is here.
I love always going back to that.
You need to bring your mom to every interview. It'll be cool. We got Fred on from Colorado on the line. Good morning. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. What's up?
Say what's up to Victoria Justice.
Hey, what's up? I want to say I love the show.
Thank you.
I have it recording on every Monday.
Nice. Thank you so much.
And I just want to ask, who's your favorite rapper?
My favorite rapper. Oh, probably. That's a tough one. I like Drake. I think Drake is really good.
Drake.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Drake is really good. Yeah.
I feel like you're like, yeah.
Nah, I like Drake. I was just surprised. I didn't know who you listen to. I'm just, you could tell a lot about a person's character by the rapper they choose to listen to.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
Like you could have said Immortal Technique, and I would have been like, wow. You could have said Glam. I would have been like, Glam, you know about her? You said Drake. That's good. And so Drake's your favorite rapper?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is that cool, Fredo?
With the Nutella.
Or Macklemore. I love Macklemore.
Macklemore.
Yeah, I love him.
Macklemore.
I forgot about him. How did I forget about him?
I forgot he was a rapper.
I love him.
Okay. Kendrick or Macklemore? Who did you listen to Kendrick Lamar's album too?
I don't really know Kendrick Lamar that well.
Go learn. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna do my research.
From me to you, go do that.
Okay,
right.
I will.
All right. Anybody else? We could.
Thank you.
She's good.
All right, Victoria Justice. Thank you for coming by. Eye Candy. Make sure you guys watch it Monday nights on MTV, and then look out for me on one of the upcoming episodes.
That's right.
All
the
right.
Octagon is making his way back.
There it is. Sway in the morning.
It's Sway in the morning. Only on Shade 45.